Hello guys, this is Santosh and welcome to Technochat. In this video, we will learn how to download and install the Adobe Photoshop software. This software is one of the world's best software in the photo industry. So, if you want to be a pro and expert in the photo editing, then this software is definitely for you. So why are we waiting guys? So let's start and download this software. There are three major steps to download this software, which are download the software, prepare for installation, install the software. So let's download it first. To download, you have to click the link in description below. Go in the description and go to this website. Now you have to scroll down the page and come to the end of the page. Here you have to click on download. Once you click, the file will start downloading. Here our file has started downloading. You can also download it on your mobile phone and then install it in the laptop. So let's learn how to install this software. There are some steps you need to keep in mind to install this software. So let's learn how to install and the preparation of installation. To do this, you have to turn off your internet connection as it can interrupt the process. So to do that, we will turn off our Wi-Fi connection. Now the second step is that turn off real-time protection of your antivirus software. Open your antivirus software and turn off the real-time protection. After this, our third step is turn off Windows Defender. This is also important. So to do this, we will search Windows Security in our terminal. Now you have to go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings and turn off all the protections. Now we are ready to install this software. So now to install, you have to find your downloaded file. Search it in your file manager. Now you have to extract the file. I am using WinRAR to extract this file. Remember, the password is 123. Open the extracted file and go to the setup section. Run the setup file. Continue. Now the installation would start automatically. You do not have to do anything. Please support us, like, share and subscribe if you like this video. So our installation is all complete now. We will open the software. As you can see, the software is completely installed and it is initiating. So in this way you can easily download this software and do the photo editing. So if you like this, please share and subscribe. Your support is all we have. So please subscribe us. Thanks for watching us. Here we have the Adobe Photoshop. Now you can use it, create new files and do everything what you want. So once again, thank you for watching.